Hi all, welcome to our new video. So here in this, I'm going to explain the different type of variables. In the previous video, we discussed the variable concept and also the different values that we can assign to variables. So now let me tell you the classification of variable based on their scope. So based on scope, we can classify variables into two. One is local variable and one is global variable. Local variable is nothing but when we define a variable or when we create a variable inside a function or a block of statement, that we can call it as local variable. And here the thing is that we can access that variable in that function only. We couldn't able to use it outside. So let me tell you with an example. So here I'm using one function def and the function name is check, and there is a colon, and after that we want to give space because this is for indentation. And here we are creating a variable f name, and to that we can add a value called innovator. It's a string type value. And here let's try to print it. So when I run the code, here we will get the answer as innovator. The same print statement is working, we are getting the value. But if I'm trying to print it outside, or if I'm trying to access this value from outside, here itself you can see there is an error showing because that f name is not defined here, because it defined only inside the function, so we can use it there only. So this is called local scope. So if we want to use it outside, we have to declare that as global variable. So that is the next category, global variable. Here we want to define the variable outside function, and then we can access that throughout the program. So let me tell you. So the same thing, we can write it in another manner. That is a function check. And here we are using the print statement and the declaration is not here. We didn't define anything inside and we are defining it outside. So outside in the sense, it's coming in the outside area of this function. So we can access it anywhere. So here there is a print statement below this after the function call. We are trying to access this variable name. And here we are trying to access it inside the function in both the area we are trying to display. So let me run. So here you can see inside function also the variable name is coming and also outside function. So this is the variable in the global scope. So the local variables like only inside function. So global variable will come outside function. So this is the variable having global scope. I hope it's clear to you all.